What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and we have a lot of goodies to show you. I've gotten a lot in the mail, and I pretty much have every single part ready for this build, and I've actually already started on it, so sorry about that, but I'll show you what I've done. It's not a whole lot. I've only started putting in, well, I didn't start. I already put in the front poly motor mount. I still have yet to do the rear solid motor mount, which I'll show you guys. I'll probably do that in today's video. But as you guys probably knew, I was hinting at the last video, I went with the NGM Supercharger Kit. So it took a lot of time to piece all of this stuff together right here. I'll go over it all individually. But as you can see, beautifully polished. Next generation motorsports. It's the MP62. It's the Eaton MP62. It's the Roots style blower. So I'm pretty sure these blowers are in the Lotus Exige and the Lotus. I don't know if they're in the Lotus Elise, but anyways. So this kit was fully designed for the Tiburon, and I also got this in the mail just yesterday. So this is brand new. This is the icebox system. So the kit itself is called the Iced Sniper. We got a nice fan on the back of this. This is all super nice quality. It's the heat exchanger, and then here's the reservoir. I don't know why there's a precision turbo sticker on here, because obviously we're not going to be running a turbo. But this is just what I got from the guy I bought it from. So we got the reservoir here. This is a massive reservoir, which is, I don't know, it's pretty cool. We got our braided lines, brand new fittings and everything. So let me just run over everything I've got so far. Ignore the WD-40 that I was trying to get this motor mount. As you can see, I'll just show you guys real quick. This is the one I replaced, and you're not supposed to be able to see through these. And, well, obviously you can see through the hole, but these areas right in here, you're not supposed to be able to see those. So this one was blown out. Anyways, so we got our new spark plug wires. We got, in this box, it's a master cylinder and slave cylinder, just in case other clutch parts, like, my clutch has been really weird recently, so I just kind of got every single clutch part you can possibly replace. I don't really plan on doing the master cylinder or the slave cylinder, but if it becomes a problem, I can easily replace it. So we got master cylinder, slave cylinder in here. We got the 190 liters per hour fuel pump in that one. We got our clutch release bearing. Just got this from Korea. We got the clutch release fork. So like I said, literally got every OEM clutch replacement part. This is the stage, this is just the stage 1 belt. It's the 3.4 inch belt. Obviously this isn't designed for the car, but this is just what's going to fit onto the pulley and everything. So I had to get new gaskets. This is the upper intake manifold gasket, which obviously is going to go on that right there. I also got this, I ordered, it didn't come with it, but a new throttle body gasket. So this is actually made from Next Generation Motorsports as well. This is an upgraded 70mm throttle body. And I believe, don't quote me on this, but I think the OEM throttle body is like 58mm or 52 or 56, I don't know, something like that. And obviously we got the motor mounts, and we got our 310cc injectors. We got our 1 step colder spark plugs, so that'll be good. And honestly, I think that's pretty much all I've got. So that's pretty much going to be the entire build. And yeah, it's going to be a shit ton of work, because I worked for 6 hours yesterday trying to get both mounts done. But it got super late, and as you can tell in this garage, there's not a whole lot of space to do stuff, so I only had the car in the garage half of the way. So I had the rear motor mount out. The bolts were giving me a pain in the ass, but I got everything out, and it turns out that I have to grind down these little metal pads. I'll just show you right here. So you see this is all solid right here. The OEM ones just have a small surface area, so there's like little tabs that surround these. Obviously this is the front one, so it's different, but so I have to grind down the little tabs that, like, they don't really hold it in place, but I guess it's just for maybe helping line it up. I don't know, but I need to grind them down in order to get the solid motor mount in. So had my brother bring this grinder home from work yesterday because I already put it away, but the grinder we have is garbage and it would not have worked. So I ended up just throwing the stock motor mount back in, which kind of sucked because I wanted to get that done yesterday, but we got plenty of time today, so that's what we're gonna be doing. So I'm just gonna show you guys the poly motor mount really quick. You can see it right down in here. It's actually a really nice mount. I already drove the car and everything, and I didn't see a massive difference, but I'm assuming that's because all the torque's going to the rear mount now, because obviously this one has a lot less movement than the OEM one. So yeah, I think when I get that rear one in, we'll really start to notice a difference in, we'll probably notice more vibrations and stuff like that. But if you guys didn't know, the reason you do that is because when the engine torques, we don't want the engine to hit the firewall. So when I eventually go stage 2, there's going to be too much engine movement, so I don't want shit to start breaking, basically. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So we'll be replacing the spark plug wires with spark plugs. This stuff's really dirty, actually. But yeah, we'll be replacing these injectors here. This harness here, like you just saw that, it just broke. It's so crusty. I don't know what I'm gonna do about that, but we'll figure something out. So there's a lot of work to do, and I still haven't gotten my struts fixed, or my air jacks, or whatever they're called. So yeah, I pretty much have 95% of the stuff ordered for the build. The only thing I'll need to get is some sort of tuning solution when I go stage 2, because that's too aggressive to run on the stock ECU. I'm not sure what I'm going to go with. There's a reflash by Next Generation Motorsports as well. Well, I guess now it's Fibra's Motorsports. They do the same sort of thing because NGM actually went out of business. So yeah, other than that, all I really need to do is order my clutch, my new clutch and flywheel kit. I'm going to get a stage 2 clutch and flywheel. So that's kind of why I got the release fork and the bearing, is because eBay clutch kits, I've heard that the throwout bearings suck. You know, I'm probably getting blown out in this shot, but I've heard the throwout bearings suck and they could lead to more issues and breaking shit. So yeah, this is pretty much everything. I just kind of wanted to give you guys a little update on how the build's going. And I think I'm going to leave finishing the solid motor mounts till the next video, because that is going to be a massive pain in the ass. So yeah, leave a like if you enjoyed, and give me some comments, give me some feedback, let me know kind of how you like this setup. We got pretty much everything good to go. Look at these freaking mosquitoes. That thing's up there, so mosquitoes keep falling on my shit, as you can see. Yeah, my brother and I, we got this side repainted, polished the chrome. Didn't really worry about the underside. It has a little bit of cracks in it. But yeah, it'll look just fine. But like I said, leave a like if you enjoyed, and give me some feedback. But we'll see you in the next video.